We are witnessing a dramatic change across our land. A change like we have never seen before. The tables are turning and destruction is unfolding before our eyes. There is a wave of darkness rushing across the landscape. The identity and godly values that once were the foundation of our great nation are being drowned in the undertow of confusion, sin, spiritual darkness, and fear.
June 23rd, 2015. A Supreme Court case, Obergefell versus Hodges. It seemed like a breaking of a dam on the dark flood. So when I had a dream, a few weeks later, that shook me to the core, I had a choice as to what I would do with the words of warning I heard in my heart. Lisa, you are not ready. The flood waters are rising and the pressure changes are revealing a serious flaw. You are not ready to lead in this hour. You're dressed in worldly clothes, not spiritual. You've been caught with your hair down when you should have been like the 5 virgins in Matthew 25, dressed, prepped, and ready. You will not make it unless you awaken to this fact. So, what about you? What will you do?